morning students. So now see the worksheet answer. Okay. First Roman, fill in the blanks. The first Roman, fill in the blanks. Okay. The first question, Earth's surface is covered by dash percentage of water. Okay. Read the question answer hand. Yes, Earth surface is covered by dash percentage of water. So how many percentage of water, surface water? Is correct answer is 10. Okay, 10% of water. Okay. The second question, the driest place on earth or dash. Okay, see the second question, the driest place on earth or dash. Okay, the answer is the driest place. Okay, as the driest place. Okay, the answer is very good, desert. Okay, desert spelling D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Okay, third question, rivers, lakes, ponds or the dash habitat. Okay, here's the question, rivers, lakes, ponds or the dash habitat. The answer is the freshwater habitat. F-R-E-S-H, fresh water. W-A-T-E-R, freshwater habitat. The river, lake, ponds or the freshwater habitat. Do you understand the first Roman? So now see the second Roman. Answer the following. Answer the following. First question, classify the plants or the basic of the habitat. How many basic habitats? There are two types. Okay, the first one is the aquatic habitat. A-Q-U-A-T-I-C, aquatic habitat. H-A-B-A-B-I-T-A-T, habitat. The second one is terrestrial habitat. Okay, so terrestrial habitat spelling T-E-R-R-E-S-T-I-R-A-L, terrestrial habitat. H-A-B-I-T-A-T, habitat, terrestrial habitat. Do you understand? The aquatic habitat are divided in the two types. There are marine habitat, freshwater habitat. Okay, then terrestrial habitat divided in the three types. They are desert, okay, grassland and a forest. Okay, this is a terrestrial habitat. Okay, children. Okay, next is the second question. So define the term habitat. Define the term habitat. So the answer is what is mean by the habitat? Is each and every organism. Each and every E-V-E-R-Y, every organism. Each and every organism. Okay, each and every organism need a place. Need a place and reproduction. Okay, each and every organism needs a place and place to live and reproduction. Place to live and reproduction. Reproduction. P-R-O-D-U-C-T-I-O-N. Reproduction. So its dwelling place is called a habitat. Okay. Such a dwelling. Okay. D-W-E-L-L-I-N-G. Dwelling place is called a habitat. Okay, so what is mean by habitat? Each and every organism needs a place to live and reproduction. Such a place is called a habitat. We understand? So see the second question. Okay, distinguish between terrestrial and aquatic habitat. Okay, difference between terrestrial and aquatic habitat. Okay, so the answer first one, the terrestrial habitat. First point is very good. So terrestrial or grow anyone. Okay. Say grows is called is land. Grows is land. Okay. The plants grows is land. Okay. The next one, the plant. Aquatic, the plant. P-L-A-N-T. The plant grows. Grows is land. Okay, and sorry, water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Okay, you understand? So see the second point. Okay, terrestrial habitat second point. So found desert, grassland, forest. Okay, found desert, okay, grassland, and forest. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. The found desert, grassland and a forest. Okay. The second one, aquatic habitat is freshwater and marine water. I mean found pond, lake, found a pond, lake, river. Okay, this is an aquatic habitat. Or you understand? So you understand two questions, different terms of habitat. Then you distinguish between terrestrial and very good terrestrial and aquatic habitat. Or you understand, children? Okay. So now see the new lessons. Okay, now see the new lessons. The previous lessons we learned about that is the living world of animals. Okay, the lessons are finished. So now see the new lesson. The new lesson name is the sixth lesson. The lesson is sixth lesson. Okay, lesson 6, health and hygienic. Okay, health, H-E-A-L-T-H, health and hygienic. Okay, and A-N-D, and hygienic, H-Y-G, okay, H-Y-G, hygienic, G-I-E-N-E, G-I-E-N-E, hygienic. Okay, health and hygienic. Okay, so what is mean by health? Health is very important for our body. Yes, the health is very important for our body. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So health. How maintain your health? Is take food. Is take food and take rest. Then do a exercise. Okay. Is this types of maintenance? Maintenance means your health is very good. Yes or no? Yes. The next one is the hygienic. Next one is the hygienic. So what is mean by hygienic? So hygienic is the science of the establishment of maintenance of health. Okay, health conditions to practice. Okay, to practice to help has poor personal hygiene. Okay, example, you teach your brushing daily. That is one kind of hygiene. Okay, then you sleep 8 hours means that is one kind of hygiene. Yes or no? Yes, clean your body. Okay, yes, that is called a hygienic, health and hygienic. Then you take the hygienic foods. Okay, so that's see this lesson. So what is mean by health? So what is mean by hygienic? Okay, all you understand? So what is mean by health and hygienic? Okay, so now see the components of food. Okay, now see the components of food. So what is mean by component? Okay, C-O-M-P-O-N-E-N-T-S. Components of food. You can eat the food gives some nutrients. Yes or no? You take the food, so the food is give some nutrients. Yes or no? So what is mean by nutrient? Is the chemical content first one is the carbohydrate. C-A-R, carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates. D-R-A-T-E, carbohydrate. The first one is the carbohydrate. Second one is the fat. Okay, fat, minerals. Okay, the second one is the protein. Second one is the proteins. The third one is the third one is the fats. F-A-T-S, fats. F-A-T-S, fats. Okay, the fourth one, vitamins. V-I-T-A-M-I-N-S, vitamins. Okay, then fifth one, minerals. Okay, so fifth one, minerals. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S, minerals. Okay, then sixth one, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. How do you understand? The components of food. Okay, the components of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water. This is your components of food. Okay, you can eat the food gives some nutrients. Yes or no? Yes or no? So what is mean by the nutrients? Nutrients means the chemical consist of food which give us energy, help to build our body and protect us from diseases are called nutrients. Okay, so some nutrition names are carbohydrates, okay, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water. How do you understand? So next one is the carbohydrates. The carbohydrates give energy for our body. Okay, the giving energy components of food. Okay, energy give energy of food. Okay, energy giving components of food. Energy giving components of food. Components of food. Okay, this is a carbohydrates. So carbohydrates give energy of our body, is giving components of food. Okay, so which items are more carbohydrates? Is very good. Sugar, starch. Okay, that is a give more carbohydrates. Sugar and starch. S-T-A-R-C-H, starch. Okay, is these food items give the more carbohydrates. Example, first one the sugar. Okay, the fruits, honey, sugar cane. Okay, sugar. Okay, starch. So starch, which items more? The starch means rice, wheat, maize, potato. That items are more starch. Okay, the first one the carbohydrate. The carbohydrates are energy. Okay, energy components of food. Okay, example, which items are more than carbohydrate means sugar and starch. Sugar means sugar food items. Example, fruits, honey, sugar cane, and sugar beet or example of the sugar. Then starch means rice, wheat, maize, and potato. That is the starch items. Or you understand? So next to see the proteins. Okay, next to see the proteins. So what is mean by the proteins? Okay, the proteins are more than foods. Okay, the proteins are more than foods. Okay, the first one, proteins. The proteins are give more. So proteins are give growth for our body. Okay, so give growth. Okay, G-R-O-W-T-H, growth. Say proteins are give growth. Okay, so which items are more than proteins means, listen, the soya beans, chickens. Okay, soya beans, chickens, nuts. This is more than food items. Nuts. Okay, chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken, and soya beans. So many food items are. Okay, so many food items are is the protein. growth for our body. Okay, give growth for our body. Example, nuts, chicken, soya beans. So many items are proteins. Okay, next one is the fat. Next one is the fat. Okay, so what is meant by the fat? The fat is also an energy giving food produce more than carbohydrates. More than carbohydrates. The fats are give more than carbohydrates. Okay, energy. Okay, more than give energy, carbohydrates. Okay, so you understand? So what is the fats are give energy. Okay, the fats are give energy. Give us energy. Okay, give us energy. So which items are energy? Fat food means the fat food examples is milk, ghee. Okay, ghee. The next one, fish, meat. Okay, these are food items are milk products items. Okay, milk, butter, ghee. Okay, fish, meats. So that food items are fat food items. Okay, the fat food items are give us energy. Yes, more than carbohydrate. Give us energy more than carbohydrates. Okay, so the milk fat. The fat food items are milk. I mean the milk products. Milk, ghee, butter. Okay, that milk products, fish, meat. Okay, that is full of fat. Okay, you understand? The next one is the vitamin. Say vitamin. Say vitamin spelling VITAMINS. Vitamins. Okay, so vitamins food items. Okay, which items are vitamins are actually carrying out various biochemicals. Okay, the vitamins are give us is very good, healthy to all parts. Give us health and all parts. Give health all parts. Okay, all parts. Health. You are health all parts. Okay, examples, fruits. FRUITS, fruits, vegetables. Okay, the next one is the nuts. So many food items are dry products. Okay, dry products also give us the vitamins. Okay, the next one is the minerals. Okay, regulation of growth and normal body function. Okay, so regulation, REGULATION, regulation. Okay, regulation of growth, 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 and control, normal body function. Growth and normal body function. Okay, body function. FUNCTION, function. Okay, this is the minerals uses. Okay, so regulation of growth and normal body functions. Okay, the next one is that the minerals food items. More than minerals of food items are pulses, egg. Okay, example, PULSES, pulses. Okay, fruits. Okay, the fruits, the raw fruits. Okay, this is the food items, pulses, fruits. The next one, milk, egg. Okay, this is a vegetables also. Raw vegetables, raw fruits. Okay, raw fruits, raw vegetables, pulses, milk, egg. This food items is more improve in minerals. Okay, or understand. So first one is the components of food. Okay, the components of food. First one is the carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, water. Okay, the carbohydrates are give energy for our body. Components of food, example, sugar and starch. The next one is the protein. The proteins give growth. Example, nuts and chicken. Then third one, fat. They give us energy more than carbohydrates. Example, milk, ghee, fish. Okay. The next one is the vitamins. The vitamin give health and help all parts, fruits and vegetables. Next one is the minerals. The regulation of growth and normal body functions. Next one is the water. So water pulses and water is very important for our body. Why means it control your heat, your body heat. Yes or no? Yes, the water is very important components of food. Okay, children. The next one is the next one. Okay, the next one. Okay, the deficiency diseases, the vitamin deficiency diseases. The vitamins are 6 types of vitamins. Okay, the 6 types of vitamins. Okay, 6 types of vitamins. So now see the deficiency diseases. The heading is a deficiency. DEFICIENCY. Deficiency diseases. DISEASE. Deficiency diseases. So what is mean the deficiency diseases of vitamin? Okay, the vitamins are 6 types. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. The 6 types of vitamins. Okay, this is called a deficiency diseases. Okay, now see the vitamin A. VITAMIN. Vitamin A. Vitamin B. Vitamin B. Then third one, vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C. Fourth one, vitamin D. Okay, fifth one, vitamin E. The sixth one, vitamin K. Okay, this is the vitamin deficiency diseases. Okay, vitamins. The first one, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Okay, so now see the vitamin A deficiency diseases. Vitamin A deficiency diseases. Okay, the vitamin A is mentioned the night blindness. Okay, night, N-I-G-H-T, night, N-I-G-H-T, night blindness, N-I-G-H-T, night blindness, B-L-I-N-D, blindness. Vitamin A. Okay, vitamin A is night blindness. Okay, vitamin A, night blindness. You take food. Okay, example, milk, egg, raw fruits and raw vegetables. Okay, this is control the night blindness deficiency diseases. The next one is the vitamin B. So vitamin B is berry. Vitamin B is berry. Vitamin B is berry. Okay, as we take a food items, example, meat, milk. Okay, then boiled egg. Okay, you take food. That food items means you is avoid the vitamin B berry deficiency diseases. Okay, the next one is the vitamin C. Okay, next one is the vitamin C. So vitamin C is scurvy. SCURVY, scurvy. Okay, vitamin C. Okay, the vitamin C scurvy is affect the diseases your teeth. Okay, your teeth. The teeth pain means that is scurvy diseases. Okay, then vitamin C problem. You take carbohydrate foods. Okay, carbohydrate foods. Example, carbohydrate foods. Example, fruits, vegetables, sugarcane. Honey. You take the food items. Scurvy. The next one is the vitamin D. So vitamin D is the rickets. 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 Vitamin D, rickets. Vitamin D, rickets. Okay. So if you avoid the rickets means, okay, vitamin D, you can maintain the vitamin D food items. Example, milk, egg, greens, okay, carrot, okay, so many boiled egg, okay, pulses, so many food items that you take means you will avoid the deficiency diseases, vitamin D rickets. Okay, the next one is the vitamin E. Vitamin E. So vitamin E is vitamin E. E is a stellisterol. Okay, S-T-E-R. S-T-E-R. I-L-I-T-Y. Stellisterol. Okay, so you avoid the vitamin E means you take, okay, cereals, pulses, okay, meat, okay, you take this food items, you avoid the vitamin E deficiency diseases. Okay, the next one is the vitamin K. Vitamin K. So weakness of bones and teeth. Okay, weakness of bones and weakness of bones. B-O-N-E-S. Bones and teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Okay, all you understand? This is deficiency diseases food item. Sorry, vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin B. Okay, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. So, okay, these 6 types of deficiency diseases. Okay, the vitamin A is a night blindness. Okay, the vitamin B is a very deficiency diseases. The vitamin C is a scurvy, teeth affections. Next one, vitamin D, rickets. Okay, the next one is the vitamin E, stellisterol. Okay, the next one, vitamin K is a weakness of bones and teeth. Okay, yes, this is a deficiency diseases. Okay, children. Okay, children. See the next class. Thank you.